There's a rabbi, his name is Rabbi Shraga Kalis, and he lives in Ramat Shlomo in Eretz Yisrael. And the other day, his electricity went out at home. And it was an afternoon, he was resting in bed, and his daughter was there, and she was extremely nervous. All of a sudden the power goes out, everything that's going on in Israel, she's terrified, she's a little girl, and she runs to her dad's room crying, Tati, Abba, I'm scared. So what happened? So it's dark, the power went out, I don't know what happened. And she was very, very worried. And he said, come give me a hug. It's okay, it's going to be fine. She comes and she hugs her dad, he gives her a huge hug, and all of a sudden she smiles. And he says to her, what happened? You're not scared anymore? She said, no. He asked her why. You were just scared a second ago. He said, now I'm not scared. I'm in the hands of Tati. I'm in my dad's hands. So apparently, when you get a very loving hug, that love and that understanding that my dad is here protecting me is way greater than the fear that she just had. What happened? What changed? The mitziyut, the reality did not change. The power's out. But it was so overcome by the amount of love that she was infused with her dad and understanding her dad loves her. So the rabbi was saying, I understood amazingly that when you understand how much Borough loves you, that he's giving you a huge hug, he's right there with you, then that is the greatest thing in the world. That will get rid of any fear, any pachad that a person has. And therefore we have to have endless love for HaKadosh Baruch Hu.